and to our distinguished colleagues. I rise today, with the permission of our colleagues, for an omnibus sponsorship of two committee reports. Committee Report number 61 in consideration of House Bill 6639, granting Philippine citizenship to Benny Francois Boatwright III, and Committee Report number 62 in consideration of House Bill number 6644, granting Philippine citizenship to Matthew James Ramos. These measures correspond to Senate Bill 5095, authored by Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, Senator Pia Cayetano, and Senator Bongo, granting Philippine citizenship to Benny Boatwright, and Senate Bill number 1613, authored by Senator Bongo, granting Philippine citizenship to Matthew James Ramos. Matthew and Benny are world-class athletes who, despite the many opportunities and paths available to them elsewhere, have chosen to cast their lot with the Filipino people. Pinili nila hindi lang lumaban para sa bandila natin, pinili rin nilang maging bahagi ng ating kwento bilang isang bansa. Matthew James Ramos is a decorated wrestler and a proud son of Filipino Pangasinense Father Chris Crescente Holanday Ramos. Kahit na ipinanganak at pinalaki sa Estados Unidos, pinili ni Matthew na bigyang karangalan ang kanyang mga ninuno, hindi lang sa salita, kung hindi sa sakripisyo, sa paninindigan at serbisyo sa Philippine sports. At the height of a promising wrestling career in the United States, Matthew made the life-changing decision to represent the Philippines in international competitions and help elevate the sport of wrestling in the country. Among his outstanding accomplishments, Matthew was runner-up in the 2023 NCAA Championships and was hailed as Purdue University's 60th All-American. He is a two-time NCAA qualifier and a two-time Big Ten place winner, finishing 7th in 2022 and 3rd in 2023. He became the 2022 U.S. Open champion in the 57-kilogram category and reached the NCAA Championships round of 12 in the 133-pound division that same year. He was also a two-time NWCA, National Wrestling Coaches Association Scholar, All-American, and at a young age, captured the 2018 Cadet World Championship in the 51-kilogram category. He was ranked among the top wrestling recruits in the United States by Flow Wrestling, Intermat, and the Open Mat. Yet, despite these accolades and the many doors open to him in America, Matthew Ramos chose the Philippines. He embraced not only our food, from adobo to dinuguan and to balut. If you are able to eat balut, you are very, very Filipino in that sense. But also the deeper values that define us as a people. Respect for elders through po and opo. The importance of family. During the hearing, I think 6 or 7 or 8 of his family members and his fiancée or his girlfriend was there. And he brought the warmth of the Filipino spirit and of community. Like adobo, which is cooked differently in every region of the country, being Filipino comes in many forms. But whether in cooking, in sports, or in nationhood, what matters most is the heart, ang puso. And for Matthew Ramos, becoming Filipino is already in his heart. He was unable to attend today's sponsorship speech, Mr. President, but he was actually here last week when we were scheduled to sponsor it last week. He had to go back to the United States for a competition, but he is committed to coming back when we pass this measure in plenary. We also recognize Benny Francois Boatwright III, a 27-year-old basketball player from Los Angeles, California, whose talent and leadership have already inspired countless Filipino basketball fans. Benny Francois Boatwright is here with us in the gallery. Standing at 6 feet 10 inches, Benny joined the San Miguel Beermen in December 2023 as the team's import for the PBA Commissioner's Cup. He played a crucial role in leading the Beermen to the championship, delivering 19 points, 13 rebounds, 8 assists in the title-clinching Game 6. But beyond his athletic ability, Benny understands something deeply familiar to Filipinos, that basketball is never about one person alone. It is about trust, sacrifice, and teamwork. That spirit mirrors our own Bayanihan tradition, the belief that people achieve greatness when they lift one another up. By embracing the Philippines and choosing to stand with Filipino athletes, Benny Boatwright strengthens not only our basketball program, but also our hopes of excelling on the international stage, defending our Asian Games title, and one day returning to the Olympics. In recognizing the sincere desire of Matthew James Ramos and Benny Francois Boatwright III to become Filipinos, these bills seek to honor not only their achievements as athletes, but also their genuine commitment to our flag, our people, our culture, and our nation. For citizenship is not defined solely by jus soli, meaning right by birthplace, or jus sanguinis, meaning right by blood. As people have moved since the beginning of time, citizenship is also defined by the right by choice. Citizenship is also defined by choosing to carry the Philippine flag with pride and honor before the world. Mabuhay ang pinipili ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang nagmamahal sa Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. May we request our colleagues, we urge them to support this measure and its immediate passing. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Pangilinan. Majority Leader.
Madam President, the gentleman from San Juan, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, would like to deliver his co-sponsorship speech. I move that he be recognized, Madam President.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, distinguished colleagues, I'm honored to co-sponsor the bills granting Filipino citizenship to two remarkable athletes to wit. House Bill number 6639 under Committee Report number 61, entitled An Act Granting Philippine Citizenship to Benny Francois Boatwright III, and House Bill number 6644 under Committee Report number 62, entitled An Act Granting Philippine Citizenship to Matthew James Ramos. The said bills are reported out by the Committee on Justice and Human Rights under the able leadership of its chairperson, Senator Francis Kiko Pangilinan, the best friend of Senator Robin Padilla. Mr. Benny Francois Boatwright III is a 29-year-old professional basketball player born in Los Angeles, California. He stands at 6 feet 10 inches. He has demonstrated an immediate and powerful impact upon joining the San Miguel Beermen in December 2023 for the PBA Commissioner's Cup. His exceptional skill and leadership were instrumental in leading the Beermen to the championship crown, securing the title after tallying 19 points, 13 rebounds, and 8 assists in the crucial Game 6. This performance quickly earned the admiration of Filipino fans. His naturalization will pave the way for him to play for the national basketball team, Gilas Pilipinas. His bid for naturalization is supported by the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas Executive Director Erica D. and Gilas team manager Alfrancis Chua. Another athlete applying for Philippine citizenship is Mr. Matthew James Ramos, a 25-year-old Filipino-American wrestler born in Naperville, Illinois. Matthew traces his Philippine roots from his father, Crisante Olanday Ramos, a resident of Barangay Poblacion, Basista, Pangasinan. He is the 2022 US Open champion and 2022 NCAA Championship Round of 12. Matthew has expressed his earnest intention to become a naturalized Filipino citizen in order to proudly represent the Philippines in international wrestling competitions. His desire to carry the Philippine flag on the global stage reflects not only his personal affinity for his Filipino roots, but also his commitment to contribute to the nation's sports development. Granting Filipino citizenship to Benny Boatwright and James Matthew Ramos serves as a recognition of their dedication, exemplary talent, and earnest desire to represent the Philippines in international competitions. As a staunch advocate of basketball and sports in general, this representation has been continuously supporting measures that will improve the conditions of Filipino athletes and to make them globally competitive dahil sama-sama tayo nangangarap na makita ang Philippine sports, basketball man o wrestling, na umangat sa buong mundo. With this, Madam President, this representation supports the granting of Philippine citizenship to both Benny Francois Boatwright III and Matthew James Ramos. Thank you, Madam President.
Thank you, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, Majority Leader. Oh, Senator Pia Cayetano will deliver a co-sponsorship speech.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, I rise to co-sponsor House Bill number 6639 under Committee Report number 61, granting Philippine citizenship to Benny Francois Boatwright III, and House Bill number 6644 under Committee Report number 62, granting Philippine citizenship to Matthew James Ramos. For Benny Francois Boatwright, as the primary author of Senate Bill number 1595, the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, SBP, requested this representation to file this bill as it is a crucial step toward further strengthening our national basketball program. Since joining the San Miguel Beermen in December 2023, Boatwright has proven to be more than just a talented player. His impact and presence on the court was deeply felt by Filipino fans. He has demonstrated that what it truly means to contribute to Philippine sports with excellence, consistency, and a heart that has clearly found a home here. In fact, Boatwright's connection to our people predates his professional career. Growing up, he was surrounded by our community and culture and had many Filipino friends. This natural bond with our heritage is exactly why he has integrated so seamlessly into our local basketball scene. Since first arriving in 2023, Boatwright has consistently chosen to return to the Philippines, not merely as a place of work, but as a community with which he has formed a genuine and lasting bond. His contribution does not end in the PBA. If naturalized, he will play for Gilas, Pilipinas, in the Asian Games, the SEA Games, and in the 2028 Olympic qualifying cycle for the 2028 LA Olympics. Ultimately, Boatwright's value to this nation goes far beyond his performance on the court. His genuine love and affection for our people, our culture, and even our food is something that cannot be coached. For Matthew James Ramos, a 25-year-old Filipino-American elite wrestler who traced his heritage to his father, Crisente Holanday Ramos of Basista, Pangasinan, he intended to become a naturalized citizen to officially represent the Philippines in international combat sports competition, being supported by the Wrestling Association of the Philippines. Ramos holds an exceptional athletic record, highlighted by being crowned the 2018 Cadet World Champion, winning the 2022 US Open Championships, and finishing as the 2023 National Collegiate Athletic Association, NCAA, national runner-up for Purdue University, where he earned All-American honors. Demonstrating a rare balance of athletic and academic rigor, he maintained his standing as a two-time National Wrestling Coaches Association Scholar, All-American, and was recognized as one of the 2024 Outstanding Seniors by Purdue's College of Health and Human Sciences. Crucially, he brings this elite coaching expertise back home, committing to train, mentor, and uplift local Filipino wrestlers. His naturalization promises to elevate the Philippines on the global wrestling stage and serve as a powerful inspiration to the Filipino youth. In closing, granting citizenship to Boatwright and Ramos, who have both demonstrated excellence and commitment to the Philippines, is a recognition of the value they bring to our collective aspirations. I've always believed that sports is more than just a game. It is a platform. It is a platform for our youth to see what excellence looks like in action. Being an athlete has taught me important life values such as discipline, teamwork, time management, and commitment, all of which I use to this day. These are the same standards we now set forth for Boatwright and Ramos as they prepare to raise the Philippine flag. I ask for your support, my dear colleagues. Thank you, Madam President.
Thank you, Senator Pia Cayetano. For another co-sponsorship speech, we recognize Senator Bongo.
Mr. President, esteemed colleagues, as one of the authors of the bills in consideration, I rise today to co-sponsor the measures granting Philippine citizenship to Mr. Benny Boatwright III and Mr. Matthew James Ramos. At the outset, allow me to express my full support for these measures and thank the sponsor, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, for prioritizing these measures. The grant of Philippine citizenship through is a power recognized under our Constitution and exercised by Congress in favor of individuals who have shown not only merit and competence, but also a sincere commitment to serve the Filipino nation. Citizenship is more than a legal status. It is a bond of loyalty, responsibility, and shared purpose. In the case of these two athletes, we see individuals who are willing to carry our flag, represent our people, and contribute to the continuing development of Philippine sports. Mr. Benny Boatwright has already made a strong mark in Philippine basketball. Napapanood niyo po siya sa PBA, sa ongoing PBA, no? Kaya lang na eliminated yata sila just last Saturday or Sunday. But anyway, since joining the San Miguel Beermen in 2023 PBA Commissioner's Cup, he has shown exceptional talent, professionalism, and leadership on the court. His contribution helped the team capture the championship, and his performance proved that he can be a valuable addition to the future of Philippine basketball. As a potential naturalized player for Gilas Pilipinas, yun po ang pinaka kulang ngayon natin, no? Since yung mainstay natin sa Gilas Pilipinas na naturalized player na si Justin Brownlee ay hindi na rin po bumabata. Kailangan natin ng batang naturalized player. Mr. Boatwright brings size, skill, discipline, and experience that can strengthen our national team in international competitions. Pareho sila ni Brownlee. May mga 3 points shooting rin po ito. Magaling sa 3 points. His possible inclusion will not only improve our competitiveness, but will also contribute to our long-standing dream of seeing the Philippines stand proudly among the best basketball nations in the world. Lalong-lalo na po ngayon na napanalunan po natin ang first ever gold since 1962. After 63 years tayo nanalo muli sa Asian Games nung 2023 Asian Games. And we are now the defending champion. Paalala ko lang po kay Mr. Boatwright, as you take on this role, I mean, just a reminder to you, you are expected to maintain your health and fitness at all times. Be always fit. Being part of the national team is not just an opportunity, It is a responsibility that calls for dedication, sacrifice, and excellence. Always bear in mind your duty to support and elevate the team, guided by discipline in everything you do, both on and off the field. You must consistently keep yourself in peak condition, prepared to perform and compete at the highest level. Always eat Filipino food. Try to eat bulad also, my favorite. Likewise, we also recognize Mr. Matthew James Ramos, a Filipino-American wrestler whose Filipino roots trace back to Pangasinan through his father. Ito talaga, nanggaling po ito sa Pangasinan at pride natin ito. Mr. Ramos has clearly expressed his desire to become a Filipino citizen and to represent the Philippines in international wrestling competitions. This desire is not only merely symbolic, it reflects his respect for his Filipino heritage, his connection to our people, and his willingness to bring honor to the country through his chosen sport. Napakaganda po yung kanyang naging desisyon na muli na to represent the Philippines. With athletes like Mr. Ramos, we have an opportunity to further develop the sport, which will open more doors for Filipino wrestlers and raise our standing in regional and international tournaments. Mr. President, as chairperson of the Committee on Sport, I believe that our duty is not only to support athletes who already bring honor to the country, but also to strengthen the systems and opportunities that will allow Philippine sports to grow. The naturalization of Mr. Boatwright and Mr. Ramos forms part of this broader effort. It allows us to build stronger national teams, expand our national talent pool, and inspire young Filipinos to dream bigger, train harder, and believe that they too can represent the country with pride and excellence. These measures are not simply about granting citizenship to two deserving individuals. They are also about investing in Philippine sports and recognizing those who are ready to serve and honor the Filipino flag. Thank you po, Mr. President.